Problem. Shoppers face problems in creating their own website and doing online shopping delivery and online transactions for their business. Solution. We will provide them free 1-year website service with online transactions. How can they make website from us? Open Aplus. Make website option. Mail/call us. In 1 to 2 weeks we will send them website. About domain. We will send them website in zip format. But as they want proper domain, so we will offer them https://abc.aplus.com, but if they want .com/in/shop/net or any domain, we will charge of it as per domain. What is the business strategy of us on this scheme? We will create such a great website for shoppers that in just 1 year they will find our website the easiest to use. So they will order another website from us and also take the domain after free website creation from us for 1 year.